Hello everyone, today is 1st of April and let's discuss what happened yesterday. And market is going up, and so how much further can it go up? And so is this a bull rally and everything is over or not? So these are the questions which we are going to answer in this video, okay? So the very first thing is that let's come to our analysis today. So sooner or later, I said that within a week or so, things are again going to come down, and because I'll show you with proper data. If things doesn't come down, so it's the data fault of the data. Okay, overall, the data is again bearish. Let me show you. And what we did was we took 17,000 in the 13th of April, and I mean we bought puts and we are carrying that. So price was at around 59, and that's the main thing. And also call writing has been done by us, but let's see. Let's discuss what further can happen. Okay, so these are all the updates and the analysis you can read. You can pause the video and read. So yeah, coming to the main data that is here, that is FIIs data. Just look at the FIIs data, they are in huge pain. Okay, so that's the main motivation for me to keep my bearish position. So the very first thing is that FIIs, if you see that futures long positions are like almost negligible. Okay, so they are not, I mean, hugely increasing in their futures long positions, or I mean this up move was also even a surprise for them. Okay, because if just look at the yesterday's data, they closed almost like even they did not roll over the futures long position, so they almost like halved their futures positions. And also whatever futures short positions they were carrying, so with these up moves they did not even close them. Okay, so that shows that they are still in the game, so nothing we should worry about. But the main thing is that if you are in option chain and the this week the expiry is there, so yes, that can be a little bit to worry, because these positions they have till April end. Okay, so that's the thing. And coming to the option index, if you see that, yes, futures short positions have been done, and also put writing has been done, and also call writing has also been done. And now the put writing quantity has been done in more, so that was also discussed today. But you see that both the sides, it's almost like the same, so neither side is like heavier than the other, so almost the same. Okay, so almost comparable. And also PropDex, they have also done put writing today. So what you can do is, if there is some dip, so you can go for put writing, but which I won't go again. So I would basically stick with my call writing positions. And yes, the thing is that here, if you look at this data of call buying and put buying, so again put buying is like is there. So just try to understand, this is the amount of call buying that has been required to hedge not only the futures short positions as well as the call writing positions. Okay, so why this much amount of put buying positions? So they are keeping their put writing positions very very safe. That is, if anytime market comes down, so I mean they are going to be profitable overall. So that said, again, like today, majority of the positions that have been taken by the big guys are put writing positions. And also it's not like they haven't done any call writing positions, so they have done call writing. So call writing positions are also not something like you can just neglect. Okay, so the call writing positions are also there. And the main thing that I wanted to see today was this data, so future short. I even clearly said in my group, that is, if I see that I'm still holding the 17,000 P, if I see that if I is closing the future short, then only I will close, otherwise I'll still I mean next day I'll close, otherwise I'll keep them on the next day. Okay, so that said, so here So overall the data is again like option index data is like almost flat, okay, and futures is heavily bearish. So that's the conclusion. There is no unified conclusion for as of now. Option chain and futures are not in all in the same direction. So let's talk about the levels. So let's go in a 1 day chart. So if you see that 17389 today, it gave a nice resistance at the end. So here this 17,228 in the morning market took support there, and finally it goes and ends near the next level 17,389. Okay, so that said, if we go to the 1 day chart, so you'll see that the next major levels are 17,440. Okay, and even if that crosses, so then we have our next level to at 17,524. Okay, so this is the maximum I'm thinking that this can go, because what I've learned here, that is if you remember here what happened. Okay, so Nifty went till 18,000, above 18,100. Okay, so if you remember this, what happened during this time. So during this time, the futures heavy future short was done by the FIIs at around 625. Okay, and then market went up by almost 500 points. So here also the same thing is happening. You see that market was almost flat for too many days, and then now trying to create a bullish sentiment, and then I think finally again things are going to come down. That's as per the data. Further data I'll show you, and here that is what for Nifty, that's all I'm expecting. That is with either 17,389 would give a tough resistance, or 17,440, or finally 17,524. So whatever it is, market is near about 17,400. So another 100 to 120 points that can be seen in Nifty at most. Okay, so that's as per the data as of now. If the FIIs don't start closing their future short and makes future long positions, if this is the data, if this data continues, so this is the max that I can see as of now. Okay, now coming to and one more point, you have Monday, you have your FIIs expiry, because the next day you have holiday, and yes, now coming to here, that is next week you have 2 holidays. Even on Friday also there is a holiday, and then coming to BankNifty. BankNifty again, if Nifty also rises and BankNifty takes support at this, so this level was very important, as I clearly mentioned earlier also, 40,434. You see, BankNifty after giving this gap up, it just went around this level, and further little bit went up, but almost gave a closing near about that level. So if this level sustains for suppose the next 2 or 1 day or 2 day or whatever, so then the next level is 41,000, and I think that should give a tough resistance to BankNifty, and even if that breaks, then 41,278. Okay, so this is for BankNifty what I am expecting at max, not more than that, because then the next one would be 41,500. Okay, but I think 41,278 would be enough to give some resistance. And now talking about if you see that FIIs did not buy much today, only 357.86 crores, but DIIs have bought. Okay, so I kind of have a feeling that in this PropDex data I don't think so, but in the clients data some big players are present, okay, who are taking bullish positions, and they know that they are going to take the market up. But with my experience, what I can say is that if you even go here, the incident that I told here, 17,625 they shorted, market went till 18,100, okay, and then everyone started making fun of the FIIs, saying that अभी तो DIS का है ज़माना, FIIs का गया ज़माना, ठीक है. तो everyone started making fun of FIIs that I mean they are not in control of the market now. DIIs are the king, they are controlling the market, and finally you see who controlled the market. Okay, so if DIIs had the control over the market, so you would have seen 19,000 instead of 17,000. So you know what happened. Okay, so don't make fun of the FIIs here. So again, be very serious, be very cautious that I mean, after this move, going to 70,500 or 70,600, okay, if you don't see 18,000 and come back down to 16,500, so there is no fun in making fun of the FIIs. Okay, so go as per the data until unless FIIs closes. So please be cautious. Okay, and FIIs closes their short positions. So that said, and yeah, so advance to decline ratios are like advance, all are advancing. Okay, so its declines are like not in favor. And talking about the options data, if you just go into the monthly option chain, let's go to 27th April. I would like to point you something here. So let's go to Nifty. What happened? Okay, so yeah, this is 27th of April. Yeah, expiry. So just now look at here, 17,000. Okay, a little bit of the positions have been closed, but overall you see the positions. Okay, there is a huge amount of positions on both the sides of 17,000. Okay, so with all these uprise also, I mean not huge quantities have been added here. So almost the quantity that has been closed here have been added on the put side. But overall again you see that it's not a joke. Like even like if you see out of the money also, you don't see this amount of writing. Okay, so that, I mean, it's not a joke again. So I mean, what should usually happen, that out of the money or at the money you see that the highest in open interest, right? But on the call side you see that it's at 17,000 and it's deep in the money now. So yeah, so that's what I wanted you to note. And now coming back to our 6th April. So here again huge change in OI on the put side as seen. So FIIs and Propdex, they have shorted 17,100, 17,200 as well as 300. Okay, but on the call side they have taken positions. Okay, so 17,500 they have shorted, and 17,400 also they have shorted. But let's see what happens next. Okay, so that's the overall view. And let's go to BankNifty. So BankNifty also, let's first go to 27th of April. Okay, so 27th of April, if you see, if you note down, that is like 41,000 is like having a nice OI. But again, deep in the money at 40,000 there is a huge OI. And also at 39,500 there was I mean there is still some nice OI. Okay, so for now what we can see is in deep in the money these writers got trapped. And also, like if you see that put writing, so you don't see that this amount of change in OI, this amount of OI is on the, even in the put side out of the money also. Okay, so these writers, that's what I'm talking about. Like, these writers are the FIs and the prop dicks who just got trapped and nothing else. Okay, so now talking about 6th April. So coming down, so here if you see that again, yes, I mean, you see all these positions, the change in OI is almost the same as OI. So these are the fresh positions that have been built up. Okay, so at 40,400, 40,300, so these are going to give some support. Even 40,000 has some nice OI built up, so 40,000 might give some support for 1 or 2 days. Okay, or maybe till this expiry. So let's see what happens. And yeah, so that's and also, like, call writing has been done. It's not like call writing hasn't been done. Even here you see that the call writers got trapped. Okay, and also here as well at 40,300. And yeah, there 39,500 also call writers got trapped here. So that's the thing. And yeah, out of the money today, call writing has been done at 40,700, 40,800. Okay, but let's be safe and let's trade with the levels. Okay, so 41,000 is the next resistance level, or 41,278. So if those who wants to go for safe call writing, so they can go at above 41,500. So let's see the so this is not something recommendation or something, just for learning purpose. So 41,500, if you go and see here, so you can short there, or 41,400 or 41,300. So above 41,000 it's going to be a little safer there. And again, below 40,000 or at 40,000, again, this is going for this week, it's going to give some support. Okay, so that said, I think I have discussed everything. So I don't think I have to discuss anything else. Yeah, so that's all for today. So if you are liking my analysis, so don't forget to put a like, and thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.